Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add projects to your website in Wix. Showcasing projects is a great way to highlight our work, build credibility, and attract potential clients. Let's get started. On the Wix dashboard, we hover over the left side. Here, we see the option for Portfolio. When we point to it, we see Projects. We click on this option, Set up without the AI, then click Next. We can upload images from our computer or import them using the Wix Media Manager. This is just an example. Let's upload from our computer. We can upload any pictures we want to include in this project. Once we have uploaded our images, we can now generate a project. AI will analyze our images, and once it is done, we just need to save our portfolio and make sure our project is displayed. We can now start editing the project, customizing it to fit our needs, and making it look the way we want. With our project properly displayed in the Wix portfolio, we can present our work professionally and make a strong impression on our visitors.